Midfield for the under-21s, a fine footballer, and he is trying to put good work inside there by Paul Gainey, dispossessed and chips it up. Paul Gainey picks his man inside. It's Mikey Gainey. Mikey Gainey has a chance here for a goal, maybe. There's a low shot, back at it by Mikey Gainey. Great work there by Paul Gainey. Paul Gainey dispossessed James Walsh, dispossessed him, chipped it up, left it off to the oncoming Mikey Gainey. Mikey Gainey put a low ball into the bottom left-hand side of the goal. Now, that's 1-1 for Dingle. 1-1 for Dingle and 3 points for St. Kieran. So the headphones are coming off me with the excitement here. We'll settle down. It's a great goal by Mikey Gainey after great work by Paul. Paul chipped it up, as I say, and Mikey Gainey was on the burst. Now David Gainey comes up to take this. Yes, Sean Og doing all his can inside. David shot in the back of the net by David Gainey. The back of the net by David Gainey for a goal. That's now 2-1. 2-1 with 7 points to 4. Yeah, Dingle can certainly score the goals. It has been Billy O'Connor in the past few games. And this occasion is David Gainey from a penalty and Mikey Gainey from play. But they're under the stand side there now in the shade of the stand, and he hand passes it back to Paul Levan, who continued his run. Paul steadies and takes a shot. It's going to come down short. Billy's in there with breaks inside. Picked up by St. Kieran's man. Referee's running in, I dare say. Oh, picked up inside by Paul Gainey, and Paul Gainey has time to turn and put it back into the back of the net. Paul Gainey has scored a goal there for Dingle. Super goal by Paul Gainey. Now the scoreline needs 3-1 for Dingle. Paul Gainey's ever alert, and I think we're back to 3-point lead, are we? Anyway, ball is played in. Paul Gainey is out in front of him and turns back and he's left here. Paul Gainey, it's a poor kick in the circle. Billy O'Connor has it. Billy O'Connor gets the goal. Now Billy O'Connor gets a great goal. Goal there by Billy O'Connor. A ball turned on there by Paul Gainey. David Gainey won a line ball, played into Paul. Paul lets the ball into Billy O'Connor, who never gave up and punched it into the back of the net. So now I think we're going back to 6-point lead. I've lost a bit of track here. We're going back to 6-point lead possibly, and Dingle certainly in command here now. That goal by Billy O'Connor with some 22 minutes gone. Tom McGoldrick, number 15, taking all his time to place this. Of course, this now from the 13 metre line. 11 metre line is it now in modern terms. Going to be kicked now. Here's it goes. Sean Flaherty makes a great save. Gets a great save by Sean Flaherty. Super save by Sean Flaherty. I'm sure his father Ferguson is stand and mother Angela will be very proud of that. A great save by Sean Flaherty. Moved to his right with great confidence.